Hello friends, I am Dr. Aman Kashyap from 2015 batch of ANMMCS Gaya, and NEET 2021 was my first attempt and I got All India rank of 990. So first thing first, the first thought in everyone mind comes like that, can I do it? Can I crack NEET PG in first attempt or second attempt, whatever attempt? But yes, you can do it and you will do it very easily. You can do it. But how? If we follow a particular strategy, it will become very easy to crack this exam. See, now 99 days is left for this exam. So I am dividing students in three category right now. Like first one, who have already completed their notes and also solved QBank. So what you should do, you should start giving GT right now only and review GT, because reviewing GT is a very big essential part, and you should aim for at least three revision before NEET 2022. Like 33 days revision you can plan. 33 into 3, 99 days. Your revision section will be over. And also daily you should do custom modules. And in that custom module you should select 25 questions, and at least you should solve 4 set of that custom module daily. And also you should revise notes as much as possible, but how? With reviewing the GT. Along with GT you should review it. And in GT, like see 200 questions GT you're attempting, and like you got 50 questions wrong, you should read those 50 questions very deeply, at least by the explanation given in the GT, and see if those topics are covered in your notes. Revise that also. And also you should do daily 50 pearls. At least daily 50 pearls you should do. Now coming to second category of students who have their notes ready, but they have not solved QBank. See, solving QBank is also very important. You know everything of the notes, but if you solve QBank, you will get to know which points you should know from your notes. Because notes, okay, like no one can know exact every point from the notes, but the QBank will help you to know which what are the important area you should look in your notes. And also you should also give monthly 2 GT, at least 2 grand test, very important. And if you're thinking, right now I am attempting, I am getting only 300 marks out of 800, 200 marks out of 800, but please write GT, otherwise in the last you will have a big problem. Also solve daily previous year question, plus you should solve two custom modules, 25 question each. And for you also notes is the key, but QBank will tell you where to use this key. And also you should use daily 50% you should revise daily. Now coming to the last category, in that see, you are making notes but not notes are not completed, and you are thinking, can I do it or not? So see, you have to do it anyhow, you have to do it. So complete the left subjects as soon as possible, make their notes completed, revise the notes which you already completed, because that will help you to give the grand test. In the grand test, see, if I have 10 subjects completed right now, and from that subject, if 400 marks question is coming in grand test, I should aim for 350, 340, 300. At least that will help me. And also you have to solve daily one custom module of 25 questions only, and particularly of those subjects which are remaining, because at least you are getting to know the 25 topics of that particular subject. You should do daily 30 pearls. Now coming to the topic of 20th notebook. This notebook is like that will help you to revise in last, particularly last 5 days, 4 days. In that, write scoring, staging, drug of choice in that notes. So was all about what you should do, but what about the things we should not do? So first is, never compare yourself with your friends, and also never compare your score with your friends. Second, in revision, never use any new source. Please never use any new source. Third, every time, every platform, online platform or any new class is coming, that new edition video came out, should I again watch videos? Should I again attend the classes? No, no, big no. If you have completed, see, if I have completed surgery from Rohan Khandelwal sir, fourth edition videos, I will see that if one or two videos are changed, mainly staging if changed, you will pakka get to know about that from your grand test or QBank or Marrow update section. You will get to know. So if you will waste your time in watching the whole videos again, it will take a lot of time, and in that time you will revise surgery 2 to 3 times at least from your notes and from QBank. So all the best, and please subscribe my channel, because I will come again with new videos like what is the particular timetable for each and every students, the three category which we divided. Thank you for watching. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.